Today's lesson is all about speed and utilizing speed ramping to add some emphasis onto a moment. If we take a look at this video clip that I have loaded inside of Premiere Rush right now, we've got this drone that's coming in for a landing. This clip happens really fast, so we're gonna come down to our speed tool at the bottom of our Rush icons, and now we have this purple bar that highlights the entire bottom of our video clip. Now I don't want the speed affected on this entire clip, so I can use these two blue handles up at the top. We'll drag these over and see now we're only gonna be affecting speed in one small section of our video. We're gonna slow this down to just about 50% of its normal speed, and we're also going to add a speed ramp. We will click our ramp. We'll go to about 0.8 seconds. We have a ramp that eases into our slow motion and eases us back out to regular speed. I hope you liked this quick tip, and I will see you in the next one.